Yo, y'all know the vibes. It's Smooth Light time. Now we are back with another video, man. Yeah. So we back with a banger for sure, you guys. All my exhaust loving people, man. So today we're going to compare the stock GM exhaust on the ZL1 compared to what I have now is the, let me get out of the way, the AWE track catback with no resonators and no mufflers. So I don't know if you can see the, I don't know if, well, you probably can see the AWE on the tips, man, but first things first, man, I'm gonna let you know, AWE is a 3-inch catback all the way from your secondary cat's back. The X pipe, it's a nice looking X pipe. I'll probably show some clips or a couple pictures of it in the video, man. And it goes back to just axle back with no resonator, no muffler, man. It sounds pretty good, man. But you know we're gonna start with the stock exhaust first, man. But before we do this, man, go ahead and like the video, man. And if you're a new viewer, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and become a smooth lifer, man. Be part of the Smooth Life gang for sure. But I'm gonna show you guys the stock clips right now. As you guys can see, I tried to launch it, but hey, it didn't work out too well on these tires. But yeah, man, hope you guys enjoyed the comparison, man. Stock was pretty cool, but now I'm thinking about it, once I put headers on this car is gonna be too loud. So we'll see, man. But drop a like in the comment in the video, man. If you liked it, how it sounded, if you feel me, if you mess with AWE, man, I'll put the link in the bio. I'll put the link in the description for you guys to get the catback that I have, man. But I enjoy the car, man. It definitely wakens. It opens the car up, man. Sounds a lot better. Sounds a lot ferocious too, man. Like ferocious, man. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. You already know if you want to become a smooth lifer, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, or 80 something away from 1,000 subscribers, man. You already know, man. Smooth Light Ty is out.